its symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and how Ayurveda and yoga can help to manage it. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease which is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It primarily affects the lungs. There are two types of TB, latent TB and active TB. In latent TB, the bacterium is present in the person, but the symptoms does not appear. It is not contagious. But in active TB, the bacterium becomes active and the symptoms appear in the person, which is contagious. Let us see what are the causes of TB. Weakened immune system, HIV infection, malnutrition, living in crowded areas, smoking, and substance abuse. Let us see what are the symptoms of active TB. Persistent coughing, which may last for more than 2 weeks, coughing up blood, chest pain, fever, night sweats, fatigue, and weight loss. Let us know the difference between common cold and TB. Common cold resolves within a few days, is often viral, and it may improve with basic medication, while TB is an infectious disease which may last for weeks and there is blood in sputum. Lab tests for TB are chest X-ray, sputum test, and Montauk's test. Under the TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, the Government of India has launched a toll-free number which is 1800116666. In Ayurveda, TB is known as Rajakshima, which arises due to the imbalances of dosha, kapha and vata. Poor lifestyle, mental stress and weakness are the contributing factors. Ayurvedic treatment for TB, which need to be taken under proper medical guidance, includes Chyawanprash for boosting immunity, Ashwagandha powder for strengthening, Yashti Madhu powder, and many more. Suitable and unsuitable diet according to Ayurveda. Suitable diet includes fresh seasonal food, warm milk, moong dal, banana, ghee, and honey. Unsuitable diet includes deep fried and spicy food, cold and stale food. Yoga enhances our immunity and self-healing capacity. It balances both the mind and the body. Pranayama for TB includes Anulom Vilom and Kapalbhati, while some asanas are Bhujangasana, Vajrasana and Shavasana. Now let's talk about DOTS, which is Directly Observed Treatment Short-Term Course. It is a TB treatment method approved by the WHO in which a patient is given medicine under the supervision of a trained healthcare worker. In India, it is implemented under the NTAP and its minimum duration is 6 months. TB is a serious but completely curable disease. With proper diagnosis, treatment, good nutrition, yoga and Ayurvedic support, it can be fully cured. Make use of government treatments and platforms like Nikshay portal.
The team of our Ishan Ayurveda Hospital will provide every possible support in your treatment. For this, you can contact the number given below. Thank you.